How to adjust photo contrast on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, we're going to scroll down and then select a picture that you would like to make the change. Then in here, tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the tone button down here in the middle and swipe across and select contrast. After that, you can drag it to the right or to the left to increase or decrease the contrast. And then tap on the save button to save the changes. And that's it. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have other issues, please leave a comment and I see if I can help you out. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channels.